Our next progression is called scooter pushes. Think, it's like you're riding and pushing on a moving scooter. We're gonna start with our front foot on a flat edge, pointing in the direction of travel. Our back foot is gonna be turned out like a V. My back foot's going to be on a slight 45-degree angle. My upper body is going to stay square, and I'm gonna bend my ankles and knees. When we push, we're using our inside edge again. And let's talk about proper pushing on our blade. So our blade is curved, kind of like a hockey stick. All our pushes should start from the back of our blade and rock up to the front of the blade. We use the whole blade to push, and we always avoid our toe picks at the top of our skates. So use the back of the blade. We're gonna bend, and we're gonna slowly shift our weight to the front of our skates. And I end my push on the front of my blade around the bottom of my big toe. Every time I push with stroking and scooter pushes, I'm going to try to have an extension from hip to toe. So your hip to your toe is going to be a straight line. And you always want to think about pointing your toe at the end to get that full snap and extension. Just like with marching, our home base posture, eyes and head up, chest up as well. Arms are out and slightly in front of us underneath our shoulders. And my direction of travel is going to be that way. So I'm gonna bend, push, bring your feet together to that V position, bend, and push again. So every time I push, I'm gonna rinse and repeat. V position, push, bring your foot back in, bend and push. And as I'm stroking or doing my scooter pushes, I'm going to stay aligned over my skating foot. So in this case, it's going to be my left foot. Bend and push. And with skating, we always want to practice things on both sides. So we're gonna practice our right hip this time. Bend and push, bend and push. With each scooter push, as you progress, we'll try to go for that 2-second hold. 1, 2, push, 1, 2. Push, 1, 2, push, 1, 2. Like I said, we never ever use our toe picks to push. Toe picks are not for pushing, they're not for stopping. We use it when we start to jump. If your stroking or scooter pushes look like that, there's a huge risk of tripping on your toe pick. So in order to avoid that, think about using your blades and turning your pushing foot out slightly. And I think about if I could ignore the big toe area of my foot or skate, then I'll never hit my toe pick by accident.